Hello, fellow YouTubers. Welcome to iScoot Connecticut. I'm your host, Robert G. Today I want to show you my ALLPOWERS 200-watt solar generator kit. Let's jump right into the unboxing. This first box is the power bank. It ships ground due to the large lithium battery and arrived after the other package. I want everyone to take notice of how well it is packaged. That's a good sign. The package contains the power bank, AC charger, and instructions. I'm surprised this version of the power bank has 2 AC outlets. I was expecting only one. The website shows one, and other boxings I watched only had 1 AC outlet. Now onto the package with the solar panels. Once again, very well packaged. If you wanted to give this as a gift, you can just put some wrapping paper around the boxes or maybe just a bow. The second package contains the solar panels, carrying case, carabiners, and power adapters. The solar panels are built into the carrying case. This is one of its great features. You can pack everything up and just have one bag to store with your emergency supplies. This is going to be part of my bug-out duffel bag, but I also intend to take it on day e-bike trips. The most common use of the ALLPOWERS generator is going to be cell phone charging. Here we go. Wireless charging, check, looks good. USB charging, check, also works fine. Finally, AC charging of a cell phone, check, also fine. Okay, let's try and charge all my small electronics at once. Laptop, tablet, and smartphone. We're pulling 27 watts and have just under 4 hours of charge time available. This unit is perfect for this application. You could even add a drone or camera to this without any issues. Testing a ResMed AirSense 11 CPAP in 3, 2, 1. The CPAP is pulling around 60 watts. Once it gets up to speed. Technically this does work, but you'll only be able to operate the CPAP for around 90 minutes at this rate. You can also turn off the humidity controls and heated tubing to decrease the wattage and increase the battery life. Now for something really exciting. I'm going to charge a 48 volt, 13 amp hour e-bike battery using a 2 amp charger. The e-bike battery is pulling 100 watts with around 1 hour of charge time available. This is exactly what I was hoping for, to be able to take with me on e-bike rides and top off my charge during a break, or I can use it if I run low and don't want to pedal home. This ALLPOWERS unit has a 200 watt capacity, so I should be able to run a 3 amp charger also if I want. It has been raining or cloudy for days here in Connecticut. Today the sun is just barely peeking out and very low in the sky. So I'm combining the solar panels with an e-bike using a 48 volt 3 amp charger. I'm only charging the power bank at between 11 and 16 watts with the panels depending on the clouds, but I just wanted to test that the panels do work as advertised. So far the ALLPOWERS S200 power bank and solar panels work completely as advertised. This unit is exactly what I needed, but they do make larger units if you need them. There are a lot of videos online, so do your own research. I have a discount code for the S200 in the video description. Please note, I do not receive any commission or royalty from the discount code. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be doing more extensive testing of power banks and solar panels for e-bike charging and operation in the near future.